Okay, what I want to show you real quick, there's a way that you can filter your water if you have no other means of doing it, so that you can make it more palatable and drinkable. And this is not a very good example of an area to do this in because this water is running, so it's already, you know, pretty well filtered over the rocks. But if this was slower moving water or looked to be stagnant, what I can do is back up a couple feet from the bank with any digging stick and dig a hole down below the water table. And what that will do is it will fill up with water and drain that water through all of this rock and gravel. And I just have to dig down far enough to get below the water table to make that happen. Okay, you can see that this is already starting to fill with water at the bottom. The deeper I dig it, the faster it's going to fill up. But when it first fills up, the water's going to be muddy, like it is now. And it will take this, you know, depending on how close you are to the water, how deep you are in the water table, differing amounts of time to fill up. But you can walk away from this and wait, and it'll fill up gradually by itself, but it will never go higher than the water table is. So it's only going to fill up about this high. You can tell by looking at this water that's in here, though, when it first comes in there, it's very dirty and muddy water. So what you have to do is you have to let that water settle, dig 2 or 3 of these, and then walk away for a little while. And I'm going to show you what one looks like that we dug about a half an hour ago right now. Okay, this one here we dug about a half an hour ago, and now you can see that this water has all settled and it's perfectly clear. It's drinkable water. Now if I stir it up, it's going to muddy up again. But I could come in here with a drinking tube and just suck the water right out of there, and it would be filtered through these rocks and through the sand. This is not going to kill the pathogens that are in the water like Giardia and Cryptosporidium. But if you have no choice but to drink water and you have no way to disinfect it, this will give you a way out that you can at least get the nasty big stuff filtered out of your water.